Welcome to the Book Like a Boss website video series. In today's video, we're going to be covering SEO settings. To begin, we're going to be on your site overview or dashboard, and we're going to click Edit Site. There are a few different areas where you can update and modify SEO in your Book Like a Boss website. To begin, we're going to start at the bottom where it says SEO and Settings on the left bar, and there's a little gear icon. If you click that gear icon on this next panel, you're going to click SEO. Now, there are some AI components, which I'm going to demonstrate, but if you want to manually update your SEO, you simply scroll down and you will find your site's meta title and your site's meta description. So this is the overall title and overall description for your website. In addition, when you go to Pages, and you click on the three dots on the side of any of your pages, you also have the option to edit the page level SEO. And here you can see that you can do page meta titles and page meta descriptions on a per page basis. You also have the opportunity, both under SEO and settings and at the page level, to utilize AI to generate those tags. There's a small tutorial you can start with here. And if you click there, it will bring up your site SEO dashboard. If you go the other way and you click Generate Meta Tags right from Page Meta Tags, it will then prompt you to complete our AI SEO assistant. You need to fill in your business name, what you do, where you serve, and it is definitely encouraged that you take advantage of the opportunity to add up to 5,000 characters of information. Once you've done that, you can then choose the tone of the language or voice, and then you would hit continue. The AI assistant is then going to take all of the information you placed here, and it is going to read all of the text on all of your web pages, and then it is going to prompt and suggest all of those for you. You can choose to select them, or you can choose to modify them. If we go back to the SEO and settings, and then again open it from that area, you can see that you have an SEO overview for your website. This is going to be a complete summary of the state of all your SEO, as well as any issues that you can improve. And you can see very clearly here that your meta tags are optimized, but your image alt text is a high priority, for example. And you can open that up. You can see the issue, and you can even click Fix It, which will take you right to that area. That area is just another menu item on the left of your SEO dashboard. So here is our image alt text. So image alt text is essentially a description of what the image is. This is definitely helpful for your SEO, and it's great for accessibility or the disabled who might not be able to see the images. If I click Generate Alt Text for missing images, you can see that the AI assistant will try. Oh, it was just erroring on that one because it's blank. But if you take a look here, you can see it's generated all of my text. A man working on a washing machine in the kitchen. That's pretty accurate. A man is walking past a blue food truck on the side of the road. Again, pretty accurate. So if you complete these and you want to incorporate them, you simply have to save your changes and it will save them. So that is the Book Like a Boss SEO overview for your website. Again, there are a few different areas that you'll want to complete. One is under SEO and settings. That is your main SEO title and description. And then again, you want to take advantage of that on a page by page level by going to Pages, clicking the three dots, and then clicking Edit Page SEO. And again, if you see the opportunity to generate meta tags or show you the AI assistant, clicking those will take you into the interface where you can then see again an overview of all of the SEO on your Book Like a Boss website.